All right, so at this point, what we're trying to do is, we're trying to take off the cap. Okay, we want to take it off. So we loosen everything that's holding it down. We're trying to loosen it up so we can take it off from the frame, so we can actually see what's wrong with the frame, so we can fix the frame before we start replacing everything back. And we're gonna need the radiator and the fan is gone, it's totally damaged, so we're gonna be needing a new one. Okay, so once we're done with the new one, but before that we have to fix the frame first. When the frame is finished, then we will think about replacing the steer rack. After we get a steer rack, then we're gonna put the engine back in there. So once we put the engine back, we'll put the car back on it. So once we get the car back on it, then we know what's next. So guys, stay tuned. This has been an amazing journey so far for us. From the entire crew here, are happy with what we're doing right now. I just wait to put this back together. We're gonna call it maybe the backyard, rebuild. It's crazy, guys. There's no workshop. We're just doing it from my house. I'm currently building the house, and I'm also rebuilding the F150. And guys, it's crazy. So right now, this is the steer rack, the damaged steer rack that we took off the car. It's totally wrecked as well. So we're gonna. So basically, we get the head here, and we got a bucket there, and we get a frame here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the damaged part of the frame with the newer one that we got. Okay, we got a new one. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I think we will begin the work maybe on Friday probably. So I'm gonna show you guys the end result, man. It's crazy, man. We got so many things, teared apart. We got so many things everywhere. We got another one here, like everything has been, dismantled. So we're gonna be rebuilding this big time, and we're gonna be showing you guys the results, man. The bend was crazy. Look at it right there. Look at the frame. So we're really gonna take it off, and we're gonna put the other one on it, and we'll see how it turned out. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy.